In this tutorial you will learn how to create AD 406 tax declaration, also known as SAF-T, for the Romanian Tax Authority, ANAF. To achieve these goals, you will use Socrate Business Services, or SBS for short. More specifically, you will use a web application called SBS Portal. To learn more about Socrate Business Services, visit socrate.io. To complete this tutorial you need access to the SBS portal and the input CSV files for the tax declaration. You can generate the declaration's input CSV files from your ERP system. For details about the expected format, refer to the documentation. Let's start by signing in to the SBS portal at portal.socrate.io. Choose your preferred method of authentication. You can use an existing Google or Microsoft email address, or sign up for a new SBS account by clicking Sign in with Socrate.io. After signing in, select the SBS account, application, and tenant to which you have been given access, and then click Enter. The services to which you have access are displayed in the navigation menu on the left-hand side. For the scope of this tutorial, the relevant services are organizations and tax declarations. The demo provider, demo app, and demo company represent the SBS account, application, and tenant to which you have access. Before you can submit a tax declaration, your organization's tax information must be entered in SBS. Click Organizations. Make sure that the following fields are entered correctly: name, TIN, the tax identification number with which your organization is registered at ANAF, registration number, the registration number issued by the National Trade Registration Office, tax accounting basis, street address, and IBAN number. You can generate tax declarations from the Tax Declarations page. Click Tax Declarations. Notice the Declarations tab, the Representatives tab, and the Organizations selector. Under Declarations, you can view and generate declarations for the currently selected organization. In our case, Demo Organization. In this tutorial we are working with one organization only. If you have access to multiple organizations in your environment, make sure to select the correct organization first. Under Representatives, you can view and define representatives. A representative is a person that submits the declaration from a legal perspective. To create a declaration, at least one representative must be added. You can reuse a representative's details in multiple declarations. Let's now add a representative. Click Add and enter the following information when prompted: first name, last name, phone number, and optionally an email address. Let's now add the tax declaration. Click the Declarations tab. Click Add. Select a representative. In the header comment field, select a reporting period. The possible values are as follows: L, for monthly returns, T for quarterly returns, A, for annual returns, C, for returns on request, NL, non-residents monthly, and NT, non-residents quarterly. Select the dates of the reporting period. In this example, a monthly declaration is being submitted, so the dates are from the first of the month up to and including the last day of the month. Select the region code, for example AB for Alba. Click Initiate. Add the declaration files. For each CSV file that you upload, indicate the file type, for example, General Ledger Accounts. Browse for the actual CSV file located on your computer drive. After adding all the input CSV files, click Update and Run. This triggers a new process which is displayed in the Processes tab. Initially, each process has the status New. After approximately 1 minute, the status changes to In Process. This status will keep showing for as long as the declaration is being computed, which may take several minutes to several hours, depending on the size of the input files. To obtain the latest process status, click Refresh. While a process is in process, you may stop it as long as it has not generated any results. Stopping a process should generally be avoided unless you have a really good reason to do this. If validation or other errors are encountered during the computation, the process status changes to errors and the actual errors are reported in the respective column. If the declaration was generated successfully, the process status changes to Done, and an XML download icon becomes available. Click the icon to download the generated declaration file. This concludes the Socrate Business Services Tax Declarations tutorial. For more information, visit socrate.io.